Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to do this look. So if you do want to know how I did this, just keep on watching. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please do subscribe now. Click the subscribe button and hit the notification bell para ma-update kayo kung when ako next mag-upload. First thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to take my foundation. So my foundation is from Maybelline New York Super Stay 24 Hours Full Coverage Foundation in shade 320 Honey. So here it is. And I'm going to take my foundation brush and just spread it all over my face. So now once the product is spread all over my face, I'm going to take my sponge from Says Lady to just press the products in. So after blending, I just need a little bit more coverage. So what I'm going to take is my beauty cake from Nichido. So it's in the shade Summer Tan. So yes, Summer Tan it is. And now I'm going to take a wet sponge and just take a little product and put it all over my face. After putting my beauty cake, I'm going to take my dry sponge and just press the products in. So after that, I am going to set it with my Maybelline New York Fit Me in shade 220 Natural Beige Powder. So I'm just going to put it on my T-zone, kung saan ako medyo oily. Okay, so actually, it's already 12 in the evening. Yes, and I'm still here doing my vlog and, you know, putting some makeup. And I'll be waking up early tomorrow. I mean later, kasi I do have my virtual class at 8 a.m. So, girl. So now, once we're done putting the face powder, I am going to take my Foot Color contour stick in shade 3 Coffee. Yes, to just add a little dimension and to just coat our face. So now once we're done putting the cream in our face, I'm going to take my brush and just buff it to make it look blended. Okay, so now once we're done blending the contour, I'm going to take my loose powder from Nichido and I'm just going to put it under my So I'm just going from here and bring it to here to just, you know, make our nose look thinner. The more you go in, the more your nose is going to look slimmer. And bring it all the way up there. Yeah, so it's messy because every art is messy at the beginning. Pero we'll just wait until, you know, it becomes a masterpiece. So after putting the loose powder underneath your, not underneath, on your under eye, yeah. So I'm just going to let it be, okay? So I am going to do my eyebrows off cam quickly and be right back. So now I am done doing my eyebrows off cam. So I'm going to wipe off the excess, yes, the powder on my under eye. I'm just going to wipe it para hindi siya ma-overbake. Okay, so once we're done wiping the excess, I am going to do my eyeshadow. And so for our eyes, I am going for a blue eyeshadow. So I'm wearing blue, so para matchy-matchy ganon. I'm going to take my NYX Cosmetics eyeshadow palette and I'm going to take this blue shade. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to get some blue shadow and just put it directly on my lids. Walang mga pabibo ganon. Put it here all over the lids. So I'm going for a simple look. Hindi siya masyadong intricate. Walang masyadong details. Kasi minsan less is more and yeah, simple is simple siya pero malaki yung impact ganon. That's our goal for today. Well, anyways, I am going to take my brush and just get some product and put here dito. Then just ganon. So I'm doing a bold blue eyeshadow. And now I am just going to blend the edges and we're good. So now we're done with the blue. I am going to take my eyebrow pencil, more like black to black brown color. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a winged eyeliner. And bring it back. See that? Now we're just going to buff that out. So now we're done with the blue shadow. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take my blue liner and I'm just going to put it underneath just to complement. Yes, so nilagay ko. And I'm just going to connect it para mag-blend siya. So yeah. Yes. So I am done with my blue liner, and now we are now going to proceed with our blush and highlighter. And so for my blush, I'm going to take my Face Lady. So nothing special, just put it just like any other blush. And for my highlighter, I'm going to take my Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit. So here it is, and I'm just going to mix this 3 shade just to make a dewy effect. And put it here on the cheeks, on the temples, on the nose, on the cupid's bow, and on the chin. Yes. So I'm going to do my other shadow off cam. Be right back. So I am done with the half of my eye, and what's missing is glitters. So glitter will do the work, girl. So if you do have glitters, start working on them. So I have 5 different shades here from I Am Magic Cosmetics, and I'm going to take this one, the lightest glitter, and I'm just going to put it on my inner core. Yes, just to give that dimension. So I'm going to take a flat brush, and I'm just going to wet it para mas akak yung paglagay. And yeah, dito ko ilagay. Sa lids ko lang. Huwag sa buong mata, okay? Yes, see that? Yes, so on the other side, same pa din. I know maganda kapag may glitters, pero may tendency kasi kapag kung magandahan ka, mas madamihan mo yung paglagay. So, be careful. So, we're just going to blend yung transition para magmukhang flawless. Blend it here, here, yeah, and over here. Yes. Okay. 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 Boop da bida boop da bida boop da boop da bida da bida boop da. Okay. So, yan. So after that, I am going to put on my falsies, and yeah. And now I have put my lashes on, and what's missing is our lips. So for my lips, I am going to do a crazy thing. Not really that crazy, but new to my channel, okay? So, from the last video, nag-venture out ako ng ibang klaseng atake on how to do an eyeshadow. So now I am going to do a yellow lips. Yes, you heard me right, a yellow lips. So this yellow lipstick is from Magical Halo Cosmetics Pro Matte Long Lasting Lip Gloss. Lip gloss, girl, it's yellow. So before that, we're just going to prep our lips first with my Human Nature Sunflower Lip Miracle in Peach. Yes, as always. So, yeah. Prepping is essential. So now I am going to take my yellow lipstick and I am going to put it all over my lips. Who said I can do crazy? So this is really an iconic look, you know, a blue shadow and a yellow lip. So it reminds me of Donald Duck. Pero ano, I look like a drag queen right now without the wig and without the eyebrows glued on. Pero guys, abang-abang kayo kasi, yeah, I will really do the drag queen challenge that you guys have been waiting for. Pero wala pa akong glue kasi walang stock yung crown. Nilibot ko na, wala silang stock ng glue na color purple. Yeah, so you need to wait and then I'm going to do the drag challenge. Okay, so for today's look, this is it. And I'm going to put a little montage just to showcase my whole look. Guys, that's the end of my makeup tutorial. So if you do love this video and if you do love this look, don't forget to hit the like button, share, and comment guys kung anong gusto niyo pagawa for me sa susunod na video. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please do subscribe now. Click the subscribe button and hit the notification bell para ma-update kayo kung wala ka next mag-upload. Girl, I look like a drag queen. Let's sing for your life. Don't forget the golden rule. Don't do just blend, but blend. So, bye guys.